Okay. In the great green room, there was a telephone and a red and a picture of the jumping over the, and there were 3 little sitting on, what are they sitting on? Chairs, that's right. And 2 little, and a pair of, that's right, mittens. And a little toy, and a young, and a bowl full of, and a quiet old lady whispering, "Good night, room. Good night. Good night." Yeah. Good night. Good night. Cow jumping. Yeah, over the moon. Let mommy turn the page. Good night, light, and the red. Good night. Good night. Good night, mittens. Good night, clocks. Good night, socks. Good night, little house. And good night, mouse. Good night, comb. Good night, no brush. Good night, nobody. Good night, mush. Good night to the old lady whispering, hush. Good night, stars. Air. Good night, noises. Everywhere. The end.